Hi friends, Belcarra Park is another place to visit while in Vancouver. This regional park has a lovely lake, and around the lake there is a lot of place for picnicking, and a lot of chairs and tables are put for the picnickers. You can see people boating and kayaking and children playing with the geese and their chicks. The most interesting part of this place is it's very good for fishing and crabbing, provided you follow all the rules. They are very, very particular about the rules. On a sunny day, you will find this place is full of people picnicking, fishing, crabbing, and children running around, and a lot of laughter and noise. Also, lots of birds chirping on the tree.